Morning. How we all doing? I cleared the shed out. Found a couple of fishing boxes that was going to be thrown away. Fishing tackle boxes. I had a diesel eater sat in the box doing nothing, so I thought I'd make a portable diesel eater. And I've made it, and I'll give you a little look at what I've done. So, this is what I've done. Sprayed it black because it was a state. Not that it's going to make much difference, it'll probably peel off anyway. Exhaust I've got to put on. That's your fuel, and then that's your air intake. Couple of vents thrown in. Obviously that's for the heater to pull the air through. I'll show you that on the inside. Couple of other vents just thrown in for the box to breathe. And inside we've got the heater mounted sideways, obviously, so I can do it that way and everything comes out the front of the box. I've got the 240 to 12 volt converter from eBay, meaning I can just, there it is down there, I can just plug it into a normal house plug and run it away. That's what we got. I've got a new controller today, just come through today as well. The other controller was broke, so I bought this one, but this one's come with a new button. It's new to me, but it's a picture of fuel, so and it's just to prime the pump or whatever. But yeah, let me plug it in and we'll run it. And there you go, that's the old controller plugged in. Wires are a bit broken and rubbish on it because I cut it back a bit too far, that's why I ordered a new one. But let's see if this one runs. Okay. So just throwing the exhaust on quickly, turn it on, wait for that pump to start kicking in. There we go, she's kicking in. If you're wondering why people make these portable ones when they come portable anyway, they're not waterproof when they come. So this one now, I can use this to, I don't know, put in the shed, run it into the house. People are using them for loads of different things, workshops, garages, whatever. I can leave it outside. I've got a few meters of ducting. I can just run it, tape it up to this ducting here, and run it inside. Alright, I got a little bit bored, so I thought I'd try it out. Just go inside and have a little look. Yes, I know, it can't stay like that. But I'll tell you what, you can see why people do it. For how little they cost to run, air is pouring in there. Boiling hot. It's worth thinking about. Right, that's it. There you have it. I'm turning it off now before I start running pipes everywhere. That's what we got anyway. Thanks for watching.